Hey friend, get ready with me. Okay friends, so the main event that we're going to today is called the Egyptian Pharaohs from Cheops to Ramses, journeying through ancient Egypt and Egyptian pharaohs from Cheops to Ramses II, a stunning immersive experience from towering pyramids to daily life along the Nile. History comes alive through 3D reconstructions and captivating storytelling. Don't miss it. So that's the main thing that we're doing today. We are going to other places. The other places, I don't know at the moment where we're going, but the pharaoh thing, that's the main event for today. Now I hope I can vlog when I'm in there because I'm liking vlogging, so I'm trying to keep up with it. So I hope I can vlog in the building where we're going. I don't know if it's like a presentation or if it's an actual exhibit where I can walk through. So we'll see when we get there. But yeah, I really want to take y'all along because I'm enjoying vlogging because I'm posting my vlogs from my birthday week and editing and all that. I'm like, this was fun. So I want to keep it up. Oh yeah, the skin is skinning. Let me tell you something. The Korean skincare that I found at TJ Maxx is eating down. I'm gonna share it soon. But yeah, the skin is skinning. I mean, you see the forehead. Come on, glass skin. You read. So this may or may not be a good thing, but I did discover that there's a mini cell. There's a mini cell in my town. I think that may be a bad thing because I was for sure that, stuff like that is not near me or in my city or anything like that. No, there's a mini cell. I looked it up the other day and yeah, I should have done that because hopefully today I can convince, because I'm going to the event with my mom, hopefully I can convince her to go to mini cell today. I don't know. We'll see. We'll be close. Because I think one of the places we go to is a smoke shop because we need to re-up on our incense. And that smoke shop is close to where the mini cell is. So I'm hoping I can go to mini cell. Like, I'm not going to ball out because I have nowhere to put all of the blind boxes. I'm going for blind boxes because I'm obsessed with them now. I have nowhere to put all that stuff. So I just want like one or two more and then I'm good to go for a while. But yeah, fingers crossed, friend. Pray for me that we can go to mini cell. Because I'm obsessed. I see why y'all are obsessed as well. But yeah, and I think I've already posted it. Maybe not. But when we went to the Florida Mall for my birthday, there was a Pop Mart straight across from Minicel. And I didn't even go into Pop Mart because I wanted to, because I said in the video that I'm going to go into Pop Mart. I didn't want to after Minicel. Like, I had such a good experience in Minicel. I was hoping there would be a little, like I think I said in the video, a little more variety in what they had, because it was heavy Sanrio, which, it's fine, but I was hoping for way more variety. Like, I was hoping for like Skull Panda and all that, but I didn't see any Skull Panda, or did I don't know. But I didn't go into Pop Mart because I was just too happy with Miniso. And it was just there was quite a few people, and that store was even smaller than Miniso, so I was like, you know what, that's okay. And from the outside looking in, it really didn't have anything that I was truly interested in. But yeah. Oh yeah, this is one of the sponges that I got from Miniso, and I see why the girlies on Red Note, Xiaohongshu, I'm still on that app. I see why the girls like using these because you see it. And as always, if you want to know what I'm using, I will be putting it in the description, caption, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so where we're going, we've been before in this building, but we went there for a women's event. And let's just say the women's event was not giving women's event. It was the speaking, the seminar part, yes, but what do you call them? The vendors there weren't really like, it wasn't giving women's event. Like, it wasn't. I appreciate the event because we do need more events centered on women's health and all that, and well-being, of course, mental health and all that, but like, it wasn't giving women's event. Like, hold on, let me blend this out and I'll discuss further what I mean. I'm gonna lock it in right quick with this spray from Revlon. But yeah, I was hoping that they would have like reproductive health, diagram stuff, like you know how you do pin the tail on the donkey, but maybe like have a uterus and you could pin the ovaries, and like or just like the female anatomy or something like that, hair care, skin care, and as we age we get drier down there, things change, or like doing like breast exams. None of that. Like, yeah, they had some smoothies and they had one guy playing the bongos. but I'm like, where's the women's health? Like, they had these people there from a hospital to check, I'm guessing, glucose and iron and all that. Beautiful, beautiful. And they had free condoms. Beautiful. But everything else was like, oh, senior living, which is fine. But where's the women's health part? Like, health. My light went out. Rude. I mean, granted, it was this 4th year in a row, so it's a fairly new-ish event, and like the event was super small. Like, it was in a very small location, which, okay, it's still fine that it's fine, but I don't know, I was just expecting a little bit more. Like, me and my mom were like looking around at each other like, oh, we were expecting just a little bit more. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, tell us about the vitamins we should be taking, foods we need to be eating, stuff like that. Like, early signs of different cancers or whatnot. Like, stuff like that. Like, the child care, like, finding insurance for your children, that's fine. But, like, I wanted this geared towards me, the woman. It's a women's health event. Where's the women's health part? Hello? Am I doing too much? Am I asking too much? I don't think I am. Because if it's a women's health event, I'm thinking of, like, health, like, actual, like, body health. The smoothies were cute. The guys singing with the bongos and health insurance and stuff like that. Okay, cool. But, like, I want, more information about the body. But anyways, so yeah, I'm really excited about this exhibit that we're going to. I love museums and art exhibits and stuff like that. So I'm really hoping that I can vlog because I want to show y'all what's going on. If I can, maybe I can like sneak and vlog a little bit. I don't want to get in trouble, but yeah. Hopefully I don't go down too far, because in my first vlog that I posted, I had like, my makeup was all caked up because I have creases right here. My makeup was all creased up and caked up here. I was so embarrassed. But thank God not too many people saw me. My mom was like, girl. So I cleaned it up. Today we're going to be cautious. Make sure we don't go down too far. But yeah. The women's event was cute, but like, and I got a cute little bag. Like, this one lady that was in line because we had to, show our tickets. She was like, "Ooh, came all this way," because I guess she had to come from far. I don't know, but she's like, "Ooh, it's even worth the drive for this bag." I'm like, "The bag." I mean, the bag is cute, but like, it's not like a regular tote bag. But like, the bag, girl, I guess. But I was really psyched to see there's this coalition for Black women. Had no idea about that. I'm like, y'all been around for a little minute. Had no idea. But I was really surprised to see that there, because, in these type of events, in these type of spaces, especially in the location that we were at in this, city, they usually don't have stuff like that for us. So I was like, oh, so me and my mom are thinking about signing up for it, because it looks good, and we need some more sisterhood. We need more. Oh wait, that's not the right one. It's this one. Let me tell y'all something right quick. It's not this. This is not clocking it. This is clocking it. Thank you. Get it right. But y'all, when I came back into town after my birthday, I was so ready to film, because I have quite a bit of PR to film with. And yeah, my moon cycle happened. I'm on her right now, and that just slows everything down. If you know, the moon cycle, and mine activates other things that I have going on in my body. So yeah, she's not very nice. But I haven't been cramping, but it's just everything else that she activates within me. And yes, the moon cycle is very heavy. So pray for me, please. And while we're on the subject of PR, like, I get sent PR, and posting is optional unless you agree to something, right? And I can't stand when a company's like, oh, posting is optional, but highly encouraged. Okay, fine, cool. Why you keep sending me emails talking about, hey, have you posted? Like, hey, like, girl, if it's optional, leave me alone. Like, not everybody has the time to drop, stop, and roll right then and post. Like, girl, I have a life. I have things going on. Like, stop. Like, that's the one thing that I don't like about PR. Like, girl, get off my back. Thanks. Okay, friends, she is all done, dolled up, and darling, and ready to go. The hair is going to do what the hair is going to do at this point, because I need to go. But yeah, friend, make sure you watch the vlog from today with this top, so you know it's from today. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog for the Egyptian event. Hopefully I can. But yeah, friend, remember, everything that I use will be in the description. Oh, look at the glitter. That's from Urban Decay. But anyways, friend, love you. Hey, friends, spend the day with me at an Egyptian art history exhibit thingy. I don't know, I'll get the real title in a minute. But yeah, friend, you ready? Me too. Okay, we have to watch a video. And from its petals, hold on. The first
first gods took their places, shaping the balance the Egyptians called Ma'at, the harmony between heaven and earth. The pharaoh was chosen to protect that balance. He was the living embodiment of Ra and the link between gods and people. Many centuries after the world began came Egypt's first great age, the Old Kingdom.
It's a little windy, a sandstorm is happening, so be careful.
Okay.
It's a sandstorm, be careful. Thank you.
Oh, this is so cool. Where do you want to sit, Mom? Is this okay?
I am Hatshepsut, Pharaoh of Egypt. In my time, I built great temples and monuments to honor the gods and our people. Today, I stand among the mighty rulers of our land, proud of my place in this eternal story. As you witness our legacy come alive, let your eyes and ears be your guides. If you wish to know more, look for the walls with images and words that reveal the treasures of our past. But you may also simply let the music and the visions surround you, carrying you from Egypt's dawn, past mighty pharaohs and majestic pyramids, into the mystery of the eternal beyond. Move freely through this space. From every vantage, you will see our history in a new light. This is the story of Egypt's pharaohs, and I welcome you into its heart.
obviously back home. But yes, thank you for spending the day with me at this pharaoh exhibit. It's called Egyptian Pharaohs from Cheops to Ramses II. I'm going to put it on the screen so you can actually understand what I'm talking about. I will figure out how to pronounce it the right way. But yeah, friend, I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I really did. I wish I could have filmed more because there was a lot more after the last clip that you saw. There's a lot more. Like, it got into the mummification, the gold, the crops, and everything. Like, it got into a lot. And yeah, friend, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Love you.